Hi, Mr. Eleman.
Oh, hello, Miss Billigan. Okay, take the seat.
Okay, so today I want to introduce my project. I work with this 5 years, and first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Intercultural, and I worked this project about 5 years. I learned more details and about financial programs, and I would like to you invest my eco project so you can learn about more in this file. Yes.
Okay, nice. Miss Billigan, I liked your own project. With pleasure, I am ready to invest for your project.
Glad to hear that, and I'm so pleased to work with you. And see you later.
See you later.
Thank you.
Bismillah. Madam. Salut, Miss.
Привет тебе.
Yes.